Now sign convention used in spherical lenses. But just like spherical mirrors, here also we have to apply the sign convention. So here optical center is taken as the origin. Optical center is taken as the origin, and this is y-axis, and the principal axis act as x-axis. Okay, so you know, towards right it will be positive, isn't it? Towards left it will be negative, upward positive, and downward negative, isn't it? And in the case of spherical lenses, either it may be concave or convex, object is always keeping on the left side. Suppose if here is the object, then this distance, this is u, optical, from the optical center towards the object, it is taken as object distance, that is u. So optical center act as the origin. So all the measurements we will take from the origin. So the object distance always negative. So u is always negative. And image, in the case of convex lens, image is formed on the right side except when the object between f1 and o. In that case, image is on the same side. Okay, so if the image is on the right side, towards right it will be positive. Okay, suppose if here is the image, then this will be v, and in this case it will be positive. But when the object between f1 and o, same side image will be formed, in that case v is negative. Okay, and what about the focal length? Here focal length is always positive because light rays coming from left to right, then in that case it is positive. Is it clear? So convex lens, the focal length of convex lens is always positive. And according to the height of the object, it is upward direction. So from the origin in upward direction it will be positive. So height of the object will be positive, and height of the image depends upon the image position. So if the image is formed on the right side, it will be real inverted, so h dash is negative, positive, h dash is negative, h dash will be negative. But when the object is between f1 and o, image will be formed on the same side and it will be virtual, so in that case it is positive. Is it clear? So based on the position of the object and image, we have to apply the sign convention. If the measurement is towards left, it is negative, towards right it is positive, upward positive, and downward negative. All the measurements taken from the origin. Then in the case of concave lens also, the same thing we have to apply. So we can just like a spherical mirrors we did know, in that way we can write the signs. That means convex lens. In the case of convex lens, first one, object distance. Object distance u, negative, always negative. And image distance v, positive. Here it is positive except when object between f1 and o. In that case it is negative. In that case it is negative. Now focal length of convex lens always, that means f always positive because light rays converge on the right side. Okay, then height of the object. Height of object h is equal to positive, that is always positive. Height of image h dash negative except when object between f1 and o. In that case it is positive. Okay, so these things you can note it down in the notebook. So in the case of convex lens, Object distance u always negative because we are always keeping the object on the left side. Then image distance v, that is positive except when the object between f1 and o. In that case it is negative. Then focal length of convex lens always positive. Height of the object h positive. And then height of the image h dash negative except when the object between f1 and o. In that case it is positive. So sign convention, explain the sign convention used in spherical lenses means and already we wrote the answer for spherical mirrors, isn't it? In that case you have to slightly change. That means the starting P is taken as origin. Here optical center is taken as origin. Then all the measurements, all other statements are correct, but instead of pole we have to mention as optical center. Okay, so here we have to carefully read the question. That means they may ask about based on the spherical lenses or spherical mirrors. So if it is based on the mirrors, P should be taken as origin. If it is given as spherical lenses, we have to take optical center as the origin. So you have to read the question carefully. Okay, then you have to draw the diagram. If it is lens, you should draw the convex lens. If it is a mirror, you can draw the concave mirror. Likewise. Okay. Now, in the case of concave also we can write object distance. Object distance u negative. Concave lens. This is based on concave. So object distance u is negative. Image distance v always positive because negative. Always negative because image is formed on the left side itself. All the image is formed on the left side itself. So image position, that means image distance v is negative. Then focal length f negative, isn't it? Appears to diverge from the focus on the same side. So focal length is negative. Then height of the object h positive. Then height of image h dash positive because image is always virtual, erect and diminished, isn't it? So here it is height of the image h dash positive. So you can see here object distance u negative, image distance v negative, focal length negative, h positive and h dash positive. It is easy to remember, right? Okay, so these things you can note down in the notebook separately for convex and concave for easy to remember. Got it? So sign convention you should explain as per the spherical mirrors, but you should change the mirrors as lens and draw the diagram of lens, and optical center should take as origin. Is it clear? So while we are watching the class, you should note down in the notebook.